Now you can finally see my all. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved. One of the greatest evolved levels in the Saiyan evolution. The Saiyan Prince himself, Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved Vegeta, became the first ever Saiyan to master this form. That transformation must be his own level of Ultra Instinct. This is what happens after a Super Saiyan God breaks through its own limits. Not even Top the Destroyer can stand a chance against this transformation. Along with other gods as well. Well, along with other Destroyer gods as well. However, what if I told you that the fused Saiyan can achieve this transformation as well? What would happen if Vegito transformed into this level? Even before the Tournament of Power, when he first fought against Zamasu. If he shattered his limit. If he used this transformation against him, he would save his Trunks' future. Even after the Tournament of Power, would Goku manage to obtain this form as well, after learning from Vegeta's battle against Top? Well, let's find out. Maybe we'll find out soon. Only one last thing to add, and that's his Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved aura. the same aura that surrounds him. And here's a blast for you. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved, fused with Ultra Instinct. That would be a real mind blaster. It would really open your eyes. It would take Ultra Instinct to another level. And the Saiyan race's evolved state to another level as well. It's like holidays come true. The greatest wish. Especially an angel wouldn't have the advantage against this one. There he is. That's how you draw Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Evolved Vegito. To find out, to witness more Saiyan Evolved states on Dragon Ball, check out the Dragon Ball playlist. And I'll draw more like this real soon. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.